you gorgeous people, I hope you all are doing good and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Geeta and I do a lot of makeup related videos, reviews and all the good stuff related to beauty and fashion. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It's absolutely free and it really helps me create new content for you guys. So today's video is something I never imagined I would be doing in my life, because today I'm going to start a new series on my YouTube channel talking about my hair. Yes, you guys, all of y'all have been asking me about my hair since so long on my Instagram, on my YouTube. You guys always ask me what products I use, how I style my hair, everything related to my hair care basically. So I'm going to do a series and I'll be doing multiple videos sharing everything about my hair one after the other. So I keep trying a lot of different products every now and then. So today's video I'm going to show you what products I'm currently using for my hair, like the shampoo, conditioner, all of that. Get this really tamed salon style kind of hair at home. So I'll be sharing a lot of tips as well throughout the video which have really worked for me over time. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So first let's talk about my hair type. I have very dry, very frizzy hair from my mid-length to the ends, and my scalp is very oily, so I need to wash my hair every 2 days. And because I am filming almost every other day, I heat style my hair a lot. Do not use heat on your hair, guys. If it's not necessary, please don't. It is colored, so there's everything that's going on with my hair. It's totally treated hair, so it's very difficult to manage it. Also because I live in a humid place, so that makes it even worse for my hair. So I have been doing a couple of things that have been really helping my hair, and that's why I'm able to actually film a video like this for you guys. So I'm very picky about the products that I use and I will only suggest that I really love. I've been currently using the Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight range of shampoo, conditioner and serum, a #1 professional home care range. So this is a brand that you have seen in salons. I have seen my hairstylist use it on me personally, but now because of the current situation we cannot really go to salons to get this kind of sleek and tamed hair. So I thought I'll pick these up. I'll also add the website link, which is Socom, in the description box, which literally gets you these products from a nearby salon to your home, which is so cool. So you're having the salon products at your doorstep. So I have the Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight Professional Ultra Smoothing Shampoo, and then I have the Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight Ultra Smoothing Conditioner, and I also have the Opticare Split End Serum. All these products are enriched with shea butter, and you all know how good it is for the hair, especially if you have dry, damaged, color treated, chemically treated hair. So let me talk about them one by one. Coming to the shampoo first, I must say it just smells so good, you guys. You get so much product in here. You get 350 ml of product, which is so much. It's going to last you a very long time because you do not need a lot of shampoo. So whenever I have to wash my hair, I do oil it before I try to, and I've been using a DIY oil, which I will be making a separate video on that, a detailed one. So this helps me get rid of all the oil so easily. If you are not oiling your hair and if your scalp is not greasy, you can just go with one wash with the shampoo. Just take an adequate amount, and I like to apply it on my wet scalp first and I massage it well, and whatever lathers up, I take it down the ends of my hair. I do not apply it directly on the mid-length, so that's one tip that you need to remember. And this product lathers so well. I love that fact. And since I oil my hair and I also have a greasy scalp naturally, so I do go with a second wash with the shampoo. After wash, my hair never felt so soft with the shampoo. I must really say this. Like, I have tried other professional hair care brands before, but this makes my hair, like, literally after the wash I can feel my hair is already so soft and literally feels silky smooth. So after the shampoo I always use a conditioner. It is a must for me. I cannot do without it. So this is the Opticare Smooth Straight Professional Smoothing Conditioner. I love that it's a squeezy tube. It's so convenient to use while you're in shower. So I take an adequate amount. You have to take it depending on your hair thickness and length. I do have thick and pretty long hair as of now. I apply only from the mid-length to the ends of my hair, applying more on the tips of my hair because that tends to get more damaged easily. So do not do this when you're applying the conditioner. I always do this detangling motion. This conditioner helps me detangle my hair easily while in shower. So when I'm in a hurry, I just use it for like 2-3 minutes and I'm good to go. But if I want that mask kind of feel for my hair, I keep this on for at least 5 to 10 minutes and oh my god, my hair just feels so soft and silky smooth. I'm being very honest here. I literally feel that I have got my hair washed at a salon when I use these two products. It just feels so soft, and you have to make sure you rinse your hair with cold water. Do not use hot water, guys. That is very bad for the hair. It doesn't retain moisture then, so you have to use cold water, or you can use normal temperature water. Do not use, I have been making a constant effort to do this and I've noticed a huge change in my hair. So now coming to the product that I love the most in this range, it is the Opticare Split End Serum. So I use the Opticare Smooth Serum on my damp hair, which is like 80% wet, I would say. So I use it on that before I use my hair dryer. And literally, you guys, even if I'm not using a brush to, you know, kind of blow dry it, I'm just going to blast dry it, it makes such a huge difference for my hair. Like, I have never noticed my hair looking so tamed after a blast dry before I actually did this tip. And even on days when I don't use any heat or any dryer on my hair, I use this serum just to tame my hair. It does such a good job with that because I do have split ends, especially because I haven't had a haircut in a long time, so I do have split ends, and this, you can see, really helps to tame all of that. And as you all know, I generally just straighten my hair or I do curls or waves. So whenever I have to do that, I apply a bit of the serum on my hair very well, evenly spread it out on my hair, and then I go ahead with the straightener. And I have noticed a huge difference when I do this. Literally, my straightening process is faster, it's easier, and look at this hair. It just looks so sleek and straight. I am so happy. After I straighten my hair, again I take a little bit of serum and then I apply it again all over my hair, and my hair just feels so silky smooth. It's so nice to touch, and this serum does not weigh my hair down. It doesn't make it look greasy or oily, and it tames the frizz, which is something I totally love about it. I've been really using this trick of using the serum before heat styling and after, and it just makes such a huge difference. I can literally comb through my hair without it being stuck and entangled. So you can literally see the obvious difference in my hair when I use these products. It just looks so salon-like. I highly recommend checking out this Matrix Opticare Home Care range. It's so good. I also have the Socom website link in the description box, so you can check that out. So yeah, I was really happy to do the first video of my hair care series, and I hope you all found this really helpful, and I cannot wait to share more videos of the hair care series with you guys. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Bye bye.